Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 XD. The squared-off Scion XD hatchback is one of the most distinctive-looking economy cars around. In government crash tests, the 2010 XD earns a perfect 5 stars in side crashes and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover resistance tests, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.